Did you know a soccer ball can bend through the air like magic? The striker was trapped. A wall of 5 defenders blocked his path to the goal. The angle was impossible, but he had a secret weapon. He struck the ball with massive spin. As it flew through the air, something incredible happened. The spinning ball created different air pressures on each side. Fast air on one side made low pressure. Slow air on the other made high pressure. The ball curved around the wall like it was alive. This is the Magnus effect. The same physics that makes baseballs curve and tennis balls dive with topspin. Golf balls use dimples to fight this force and fly straighter. Knuckleball pitches flutter wildly because they barely spin at all. Engineers now use the Magnus effect to build better wind turbines. Some ships even have spinning sails that capture wind more efficiently. The ball curved perfectly into the top corner. Goal! The crowd went wild. The striker smiled. He knew his secret. Physics always wins.